In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix dead cells not opening. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Dead Cells is not a particularly intensive game. Even if you have a weak GPU and CPU, you will still be able to run it on most systems. So if the game is not opening, it isn't launching after you click play on Steam, it is usually related to a problem with drivers. So in this video, I'm gonna give you plenty of solutions to address this. As you can see, according to the system requirements, you don't need a particularly strong system to get it to work. So to start, the very first thing that I would recommend is that you go over to the Microsoft website and you update DirectX. So look for DirectX Microsoft on Google, download it here and simply run the executable, and do the same for Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable. Both of these are needed not only to run Dead Cells, but also any other games. When you visit this page, even though it might seem consuming, all that you have to do is download x64. So look for vc_redist x64, download the executable and run it. You can also download x86 if you want, and if you keep scrolling down, you will see that they have various different years. So 2015, 17, 19, 22, 2013, 2012, and so on. Download all of these. Once you have all of them downloaded, try to run Dead Cells again. If it still does not work, then what I recommend is that you open up the device manager. So right click the Windows icon and then you will find device manager in here. When you open device manager, you will be able to see all of the devices that are on your computer. One of the categories is going to be display adapters. So open display adapters and you will notice that you either have an NVIDIA or AMD GPU. If you have something like Intel integrated graphics, then you can skip this step. But if you have AMD or NVIDIA, it is recommended to update their drivers. So if you know your GPU model, just visit the specific manufacturer's website, like NVIDIA or AMD, and look for your video card here. So for example, mine is the Radeon RX 7000 series 7900 XCX. For you, it could be the G4 series, the 50 series, and then let's say, for example, 5080. So you just choose it here from the list and download the latest drivers available. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Dead Cells not opening. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.